Good morning, Bears. I'm Uriah. Welcome back to BTV. Today is Thursday, November 14th, and yes, the Class of 2025 Senior Shirt Sale is extended until tomorrow. Go to room C130 or C206 to buy one for $20 cash and showcase your school spirit. You can also get a District Champs Playoff t-shirt for our Bears football team. Go online to the Brennan Booster Club website at brennanboosterstore.com. If you've got your shirt, now you're ready for some playoffs. So get out and cheer on our district champs when they take on Reagan for the bi-district playoff game, a rematch at Ferris Stadium at 7:30 p.m. this Friday. And thanks for checking out highlights from last week's game on X, YouTube, and Instagram. BFND Bears. Let's wish our Bears golfers lots of luck as they compete in the Clark Scramble Series at the Brackenridge Golf Course today. And our Lady Bears basketball team continue non-district play against Piper and other teams at the Flores Jaguar Classic today through Saturday. Our Bears basketball team also continue non-district play against Dynamic Prep on Saturday at the Colony High School at 6 p.m. BFND Bears. Once more, kudos to the Brennan Bowling teams for starting off the season on a high note, with our Brennan Bears picking a 17-0 shutout game against Holmes, while our Lady Bears took care of business with a 16-1 victory. Up next is a district matchup against Health Careers, BFND Bears Bowling. If you're interested in Bears soccer, there will be a mandatory tryout meeting in E205 next Tuesday. If you have any questions, see Coach Sailors in E205 or email him at colin.sailors@nisd.net. Now for academics. Bears, if interested in the Brennan Dual Credit Program or in attending a Texas college or university after graduation, you will need to meet the TSI testing requirements. The exam is Saturday at 7:45 a.m. in the library. If you have any questions, email sharon.rodriguez@nisd.net. And remember, seniors, tomorrow's the deadline for the Jack C. Jordan Scholarship. For information, visit the Career Center or email brennanptsa@gmail.com today. Juniors and seniors, plan on attending Northside's annual college night on Monday from 6:40 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. at the Northside Activity Center located at 7001 Culebra Road. Register using the QR code on the flyer to begin making college contacts. College Night provides students and guardians the opportunity to visit with more than 100 institutions of higher education in Texas and the nation to collect information to make the best choices for the future in educational endeavors. Want to prepare for the spring STAAR EOC test? Attend an accelerated instructional session this Saturday from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. There is also one last session on December 7th. Take advantage. The PTSA-sponsored Fall Festival is in 2 days, this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Brennan will host multiple vendors inside the cafeteria and food trucks outside the school. Scan the QR code on the flyer to see the vendors. Today, join the Mock Trial Club to learn about the judicial system and acquire valuable team skills. Meeting is after school on E127. Tomorrow and Monday, Brennan Theater Thespians will compete in several categories in Corpus at the Texas Thespians Convention. Let's wish them broken legs as they represent Brennan. Next Thursday will be the last opportunity for underclassmen yearbook photos. Life Touch will be on campus all day, beginning at 8 a.m. and ending at 5 p.m. Bears can take their photos before school, during lunch, or after school. Please dress appropriately. Finally, kudos to the ALE teacher, April Watanabe, and our VIP students on their job training in Ott Elementary this week. They worked in the library and ALE classroom, exploring opportunities to be instructional or library assistants after they graduate. Way to stay engaged in your learning. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for us on Instagram at BTV Bears. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Uriah, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in learning, and continue to evolve every day. And today is my birthday. Yeah.
Happy birthday.